Hey guys! So this week is Thanksgiving week. Sorry if the lighting's a little weird. Um, but I actually have Thanksgiving off this week, and in fact, I think I have like 5 days off, which is awesome. So typically I've had to work on Thanksgiving, so that'll be nice to not have to this year, and I don't have to feel so rushed and chaotic with trying to fix everyone a meal and also be working the same day. So I am actually headed to Aldi to pick everything up that we will need for the week and for Thanksgiving. And so I'll share the meal plan, what I plan on making, and what I also picked up once I get back home. So I will see you guys in just a little bit.
Hey y'all, so I am back from Aldi. So I picked up some milk, some heavy cream, some apple juice, and then 2 things of sparkling grape juice. I got red and white grape. Got several yogurts, I already tossed some in the fridge. Got some applesauce as we were out. And then I did pick up a box of stuffing mix. We only have a couple of people who like stuffing, so I thought I'd take a shortcut and I'll just add some fresh vegetables, maybe some sausage to it, we'll see. And then I also picked up some chicken broth just in case I need some. And I am not a big fan of turkey or chicken. They just both are not my favorite proteins. So no one else really cares for turkey either. And I think this year we might actually pick up Bojangles fried chicken to have. And we might pick that up the day before. So I picked up some ham slices, and I think I might just fry that up in some bacon fat as my side meat. And then we always have shrimp, so my daughter requested it again, so I picked up a bag of that. I wasn't sure if I was out of elbow noodles, and I'm making a crock pot mac and cheese, so I did pick up a box just in case. And then I did pick up a can of pumpkin for pumpkin pie and a large can of sweet potatoes. My girls really like sweet potato casserole. They're the only ones that really eat that, so I don't even bother using fresh sweet potatoes for such a small side dish. So I'll use half of the sweet potatoes in that, and then I use the other half in the pumpkin pie. And I also picked up a couple cans of green beans, just doing some bacon green beans instead of green bean casserole. And then I picked up some fried apples as a side. And they actually had artichoke hearts there. I don't know that they've always carried these. I was kind of surprised they did. And I wanted to make some spinach artichoke dip. Oddly, they don't carry the frozen spinach there. But I did go ahead and pick up some artichokes and some cream cheese. And then I'm also making some skillet corn. So I did pick up a bag of frozen corn. Got some evaporated milk for the mac and cheese, along with some sliced cheddar for sandwiches during the week. I picked up some celery and mushrooms I picked up the mushrooms for gravy. Then we got some strawberries, tomatoes, bananas, a couple bags of salad. And they had block cheese on sale for $1.39, which is a great price. So I picked up 2. And then we aren't big potato or mashed potato fans here. So I just picked up a small bag of potatoes to make some mashed potatoes for them. Then we got some mini marshmallows for the sweet potato casserole. Got 3 dozen eggs. And I saw these hot cocoa and marshmallow flavored chocolate chips. So I thought those sounded fun, and we might make some cookies the day after Thanksgiving on Black Friday. I picked up 2 deep dish pie crusts. So I'll use these pie crusts for the pumpkin pie, and I'm also making an oatmeal pie. And then I want to do like a little cookie platter, charcuterie board type of thing with some candy, chocolates, and cookies. So I did pick up this wafer cookie mix, some peanut brittle, and some of the chocolate covered butter cookies to put on there. So that is everything I picked up for the week and for Thanksgiving, and we came in at just under $89, which I know we didn't really buy a lot of meat, but I still thought that was pretty good. And then I did have to swing in to another grocery store, so I just went over to Harris Teeter. I picked up some frozen spinach, and then I saw these seasoned cauliflower, like Indian spiced. So I thought I'd fix that too for Thanksgiving. I typically do make cheesy cauliflower for myself, as I don't eat macaroni and cheese. So I thought I'd try that instead. And then these keto crackers are my favorite, and I thought they'd be great with the spinach artichoke dip. And then I also picked up a can of cheddar cheese soup, as that goes in the crock pot mac and cheese. And I think we spent just around $10 at Harris Teeter. So that is everything I picked up for the week, you guys. So I hope if you are celebrating Thanksgiving, I hope you have a great one. And to everyone else, I hope you have a great week ahead. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!